opening a new generic. Oh shit, biscuit! Oh shit! Oh this shit! Yeah. I'm happy to show you. Now I'm starting a new series, part of my thing. And, okay, my wallet's still there. And today it's just oh shit! As you can see, we are into some difficulties. Shit. So, I might have shot myself in the stomach a few times and slipped on my head, but it's okay. Because at the end, we all do something wrong, you know. We all make mistakes. Just like what I'm gonna say. These Fortnite kids, you know, it's just... For fuck's sake, this is why I hate working with people. Son of a bitch. Yo, play up on item 7. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Hey, welcome back. You me in 2019? I'll stop smoking weed. Shit. I'll be more family friendly. Eyes up here. I'll be more family friendly, you know, trying to keep new me. I'm not doing those shitty animations and skip videos. I'm gonna be unboxing shit. As you can see. Get the fuck out. You know, shit like this. You know, as you fans, you know, you send me some fan. Nuts? You know the one thing I can't eat in life? Chocolate. And they've got nuts in it. Ever since these 2,000 fucking chocolates, you know, I saw these, okay? I saw these, they were back there. You know, fuck you. After 2 weeks of hiatus, you know, after going through that, whatever, that allergic reaction, whoever sent me that chocolate, fuck you. Do I look weird?
You're wearing the mask the wrong way.
Really? Oh shit, cut the video. Cut. Nothing wrong here. It's just, the technical difficulties, you know. It's just, shit happens, you know. Just, can you move back? Fucking, sorry, a little difficulty. So as you can see, I bought like, good few products. Off-White, some good ass limited edition Timbs that I spent $650 on. Off-White, good shit, you know? Good stuff. As you can see, I just get inside box. See, even bought this shit. Even had to check. See, look at it. Look at that shit. Look at the price. $1,690. Expensive as fuck. And then let's. Is that This is a bottle. Is this water? Huh? This is like nothing! What the? This is water. This is a fat man's ass sweat. Alright, we're back at it. We're back at it again. Via, thanks for the sponsor. Links down in the description for the sponsorship. So my trusty canine. Okay, so you see this? You see this? Via, thanks for the sponsorship. What's this? This is a family. You know, just well, how shit is going on here? You know, fuck it out of it. You know, I paid $1,690 for that shit. You know, I'm actually genuinely disappointed. It's just. I've almost died 4 times for this video, and you know, my life is a joke, isn't it? Everything's a fucking joke. Every fucking thing I've done is a joke. Ah, you didn't say. No, I fucked up the line. You know, it's just. Why do you keep staring at me like that? Is there something wrong?
You're wearing the mask too low.
You know what? Fuck it. Okay. You know what? There's still hope. I bought the tip limited edition $650. You know, always wanted some tip boots. You know, I can't see out of this shit. I can't read out of this shit, but fuck it. You know, last hope. Timberland. I hope you sent me the right package, because I swear to fucking God, you know the last 3 packages I did? I died in the first one, I died on the second one, and I died from the third one. I will make it a 4th, okay? I swear to God if that happens again. Kiss my ass, skate fast, eat grass, and play fast, whatever, whoever the fuck said that. Smile! Smile!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I got my final product that I got from Legends of League.
No, it's League of Legends.
League of Legends. Wait, what? I thought this was it? Lisu.
No, it's League of Legends.
Lisu Licking. What?
You can't read your new.
What the fuck? Am I seeing shit correctly? Can you tell like what the?
It's League of Legends.
League of Legends. What's so fucking retarded? What the fuck is this?
It's League of Legends.
It's a League of Legends. Lisa. You know what? It's good. So I like my favorite character. What's the name again?
Fiora.
What?
Fiora.
What?
Fiora.
Fuck what?
Fiora.
Aroma?
Fiora.
Dick ass? Overeat?
Fiora.
Plus even trying to bring a fucking Robo bitch?
Fiora. 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 Fiora.
You know what? Fuck it. We're opening this shit. Even if it's fake as fuck. I'll be cutting off my own dick with the scissors later. So first things first. The head is bent in 14 different fucking ways. Can you see this shit?
Yay. I see her butt.
I think I just cut her hands off. I just cut myself. How itchy. Crawling through the skin. I don't fucking watch anything past. As you can see, the first product. Who the fuck is this bitch again?
Fiora.
Ovaries?
Fiora. 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 Fiora.
Back up. Did I just pull a 180 on my nigga? You know, she's not left-handed, is she?
I don't know.
I thought you loved this game though.
No, I play with toasters.
Is this more like it?
Hum.
Do you see this? Like, you know what? Just fuck. This is like, okay. You know what? Don't call me for the next hour. Holy shit. You know, just this is gonna be my comment. Okay, just don't call me for the next like an hour. She's like, that's a 3 C's. You know what? I'm out. This is like extra fat milk. Fuck, man. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of my dick. Don't even look for me. I'm out. Okay, just goodbye. Okay.